Hello again, it's me Jeanette, and I got this Turbo Racer 2.0 remote control race car from Five Below. So $5, so let's see how it does for $5. It's got a remote control, it's an RC car. So let's check it out. So it has the little things on the bottom to take it, you have to open up. And it comes out, and then the remote, let's see. The remote has a similar thing you have to undo. Okay. You gotta be careful with those. A couple times I lost them on the floor and the cats got them. So I want them to choke on those. Let's get the remote first. You know what, that's not gonna work. Let me use my little one. Okay. Ow, hurts my fingers trying to open this thing. Okay, that's not good. Just, you gotta push this thing and open it up. Maybe the screw's not all the way enough. Maybe the screw has to go out. I don't know. Let's see. That's probably what it is. Come on. Okay, screw it out. Oh, yeah, that's hard to open. 2 AA. Got them right here. So these things are not bad for $5 usually, but you do have to provide batteries, so that is an extra cost. But it's still not bad. Okay, got that screwed in. So let's look at the bottom. Plus another one of these things has to be taken all the way out. Or almost all the way out maybe. Let's see, this one's easy. Okay, that was a little bit easier to open. So this needs, I think it needs double A's too. Do you have any more? Yep, you'll have to get some more. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got some more and I was looking, there's like a thing on the bottom, so I guess you can make it turn to the left or the right, or this does something, I don't know. But let's get the batteries in. Okay. Okay, so this is one of the things that's already on, the switch is on. Let's get the antenna moved out. So this has up, down, side to side. Okay, back. Okay, that's cool. These are the side ones. Okay, turn and then forward. Okay. And then go the other way. Okay. That's super cool. $5. I mean, you can't beat that. It goes pretty fast, too. Okay, so there it is. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.